Programming fundamentals, visual to text-based coding. Maya and her robot friend Momo are ready to explore something exciting today. Programming. Programming is the process of giving instructions to a computer so it knows what to do. Computers do not think on their own. They only follow the instructions we give them. Programs control everything around us. Mobile apps, games, websites, traffic lights, and even robots work because of programming. Every time you click a button or move a character, a program is running quietly in the background. To begin learning programming, Maya uses Scratch. Scratch is a block-based programming tool designed especially for beginners. Instead of typing code, students drag and drop colorful blocks and connect them like puzzle pieces. Scratch makes learning easy and fun. There is no typing, so beginners can focus on thinking. Blocks only fit in the correct places, which helps reduce mistakes and makes learning stress-free. The first programming concept is called sequence. A sequence means instructions are followed one after another in the exact order they are written. Computers always follow instructions step by step. If the order of instructions changes, the result also changes. That's why understanding sequence is very important in programming. Programs also need to know when to start. This is done using events. Events are triggered by actions like clicking the green flag, pressing a key, or clicking a sprite. Events make programs interactive. Programs remember information using variables. Variables act like containers that store values such as score, time, or lives. When something happens in the program, the value of a variable can change. Programs can also make decisions. This is called decision-making. Using if and if-else blocks, a program checks a condition and decides what action to take next. If the value is greater than 50, the sprite says, "That's a big number." Otherwise, it says, "That's a little number." This helps programs behave differently in different situations. Sometimes programs need to repeat actions again and again. This is done using loops. Loops save time and make programs shorter and smarter. In this example, the program starts, resets the timer, repeats instructions many times, and finally shows how long the task took. This is how loops handle repetition efficiently. As programs grow bigger, we use functions to group instructions together. In Scratch, functions are created using myblocks. Functions help keep programs organized and allow the same logic to be reused. This function converts a decimal number into binary. It repeats steps until the number becomes 0, and the final result is stored as a binary number. Block-based and text-based programming may look different, but they follow the same logic. Scratch shows ideas visually, while text-based programming writes the same ideas using words and symbols. Both programs take a number as input, check conditions, use loops, and produce a result. Only the way they are written is different. Text-based programming follows strict rules called syntax. Scratch hides these rules, which makes it easier for beginners to learn logic first. Programming is about logic, creativity, and problem-solving. Scratch helps us start the journey, and text-based coding helps us go further. With practice, every student can become a confident programmer.